V&T Technologies Co Limited. The Industrial Revolution initiated the era of replacing labor with machines. However, energy resources are seriously wasted by outmoded industrial production. Pollution is shocking by the sight. As the possession quantity of cars increases, the environmental pollution is intensified. In order to improve the control level of industrial automation, overcome the global environmental deterioration, and to solve the energy shortage that increasingly human beings face, motor controller product, which provide efficient energy-saving solution in industrial automation, develops rapidly. V&T Technologies Co Limited, as national high-tech enterprise and software manufacturer specialized in R&D, manufacturing and sales of HEV, hybrid electrical vehicle, BEV, battery electrical vehicle, motor drive controllers, LV, MV, frequency inverter and servo driver. V&T Technologies dedicated industrial automation, power, electric, and renewable energy, devotes to provide best solutions for energy efficiency, energy conservation, and low-carbon environmental protection. V&T Technologies Co Limited is established in 2006 with high-tech and leading R&D technologies. V&T Technologies is an R&D-based company and promotes the development with the advanced technology. Core technical staff of company have rich R&D experience